1, 2, 3, funk it.
Yo, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Toledo. On today's video, we are going to be spray painting my trims on my Tacoma. So pretty much, they are like a plastic coat. The coat came off and now they're chrome, but I don't like the chrome, so I'm gonna be painting them black. But first, I need to take them off. So you can see they're like a plastic coat, but now they're chrome. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take them off so I could get these edges pretty much straight. Then I'm gonna put a coat of trim black paint. I'm gonna show you guys exactly what I'm gonna be doing, but first we need to take them off. Here's the before. I believe to take these out, you like literally just pull them up somehow. All right, guys, so before I take them out, I'm actually just grab a razor blade and run it against this edge. Get the effed up edges off. I took these two out already. Grab it from right here with some pliers. So you just gotta grab a good grip of it and pull it out. Let me try to show you guys on this one. I need both hands. There we go. This is the back passenger side. Passenger front. Alright, guys, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean them up from the back side. And then I'm gonna go ahead and continue taking this off. And then we will start sanding them down and painting them. I'll show you guys what paint I'm gonna be using soon. Alright, guys, so I found an easy way to take the bottom edge off. As you can see, I did these two already for the most part. Just go like this. Let me show you how easy it is on this one. As you can see, I want to get that edge off. Scotch-Brite. I love Scotch-Brites. I just literally just gonna scratch it like so. As you can see, everything. Don't forget that top edge. At this point, they're all Scotch-Brited. Now I'm just gonna clean it one more time with the purple power. So you can see this one's back. This is supposed to be like this. I'm not sure when that happened or why that happened, but whatever. This is purple power, by the way. See that there, letting them dry for a little minute. Let me see if you can see. They're all scuffed up. And I was not planning on doing this, but I have some adhesion promoter. It's for plastic, but I'm gonna just use it anyway. But here's the paint I'm gonna use. Smart Trim Black. And duplicate plastic adhesion promoter. I'll just use a little bit of that. First coat, very light. It's already looking good. Let's go ahead and knock the second one out. Alright guys, as you guys just saw, I did one light coat and one heavy coat on the trims. Now I need to let that dry, but for now I'm going to clean out the area where it's going to sit. So let's just go ahead and use some water and some purple power and a towel, and this should be good enough. Before and after. All right, guys, it's time to reinstall them. Pretty much, you gotta make sure you align these little white clips like that. This one I need to move over to the left, and this one slightly to the left also. All right, once you have them on there like so, lined up, you gotta pretty much slide it into the little hole like that, and then you just push it in. There we go. It looks like new. Same with the driver's side, except you gotta slide it into this little gap between the mirror and the door. But let me slide this clip all the way over here, because I think I did lose one when I was taking it apart. So I'm gonna just skip this one instead of that one. Wait, no, I'm gonna leave it just like that because it's gonna sit under there anyway. So let me just slide it. That one looks good. This one, move it over a little more, there we go. This one should be fine. So one, two, there we go, like new. Let's test the window out. Windows up. You can see how fresh this paint looks compared to the plastic here. But much better than the chrome look. Beautiful. Couldn't get rid of that, so still looks good though. Thank you guys for clicking on today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys learned something along with me today. I learned how to take out those moldings and how to paint them. Now the goal is to paint the ones on the Integra, so stay tuned for that one. With that being said, give the video a like, comment down below, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.